So I'm at Lytham Hall and I've come for a talk on how to plant a cottage garden. Graham's going to do some photography. So yeah, that's the plan for this morning.
So while Shell's off on her gardening lecture from Greg at Lytham Hall, I thought I'd come out for a little wander and just have a walk down the front.
So, foxglove, an absolute staple of a cottage garden. Flowers in early springtime. I'm going to start by making up this little container down here. I'm going to use one of these little geraniums here. Now, I've got two types of geraniums on here. I've got these geraniums down here. This one's called Maverick Star, which has pink and white flowers. And then I've got this zonal geranium here. This one goes by the name of just zonal lilac. So that's going to go like that. And then I'm just going to plant one other thing in between. And here, I think, I'm actually going to use these Florence begonias. So you can see I've put quite a few plants in there. This container would be a bit bigger and I would actually put the same number in there. But that will look quite simple and straightforward. But what that will be as it grows is quite a simple and effective container.
You can probably see the flag whistling in the wind. I've just taken refuge behind the lifeboat station for a second. I've just walked back up the jetty. Yeah, I've only brought the little tripod that's on my back there, so in this wind there was not a real chance of holding that camera steady. A low-lying cloud moved in right in front of the buildings over the other side, and it made it look really nice. I mean, if the tide was high, that would have been an awesome picture. I definitely would need the heavier tripod though, or the more stable tripod. I do have a Manfrotto one at home for those that are into photography, but I didn't bring it today. It was just supposed to be quick and easy. The best laid plans and all that. It's too windy to send the drone up as well. I wanted a drone shot round the windmill, but that wasn't to be either. Anyway, I'm going to walk back to the car now and go and find Shell.
They can also have some perennials in as well. So I'm going to make it really wispy, really beautiful looking. So we'll do some nice colours with this. Blue, white and orange actually is a very, very nice scheme. Let's maybe go with that. Right. A little bit of white. Yeah, nicely. Then I'm going to use cosmos in the middle. Cosmos, if you keep deadheading it throughout the season, we will just keep flowering for you. So I'll take that deadhead off. That's all you need to do, just keep deadheading it into your deadheads and take them back to where they meet another stem. So all the way back down here, don't just leave an empty stem. And what you'll have there is all of this cascading down. You've got some height at the back, you've got some perennials in there. The lavender, it might be too wet for it, it might not. That's the beauty of it. You can take that out and put something else into the work. But that there you could put in a cottage garden and it would look right at home in there and look really, really beautiful. And with that, that brings me to the end of my talk here today. I really hope you've all enjoyed it.
Here she comes.
That was so good.
Was it?
Yeah, really good. He's only young.
Yeah, Greg, he was here when we were doing the wedding. He was only just starting it up then, wasn't he?
Oh, yeah, he was.
And there was only a few plants and
He's been
stuff.
gardening since he was 3.
Yeah.
But I
started selling plants when he was 11 or something.
Yeah, started his own business at 11, yeah. He did.
So he had a good
He
time.
does all the planting for Lytham and the
Yeah.
surrounding areas, yeah. Oh yeah, really good. Really, really good.
Oh, better than me down on the beach getting blown off the pier.
Oh, did you get some good photographs?
I don't think so, no. The light wasn't good. The wind was blowing me. I only brought the lightweight tripod, so... Anyway, let's get going. I'm hungry. You've had scones, haven't you?
I've had a scone.
Was it nice? The sun's out, is it?
The sun's out in Lytham.
Going to the chicken butty shop.
Oh, it's lovely. Chicken on the way. It's something we have to do every time we come to Lytham, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been closed the past 2 times, though, hasn't it?
Because we were late.
Well, we were late, and then COVID as well. Perhaps it just didn't open.
I've been since then, my mum, I think.
Have you? Did you get a chicken butty?
Yes. Look at your face. Don't remember you bringing one home for me.
You got a chicken butty without me?
I did.
1868. Wesley Chapel. Here it is. La Rotti. The rotisserie. Bienvenue. French rotisserie chicken. So we sit on a bench. Yeah, so I got chicken, stuffing, and honey and mustard mayo. And you got salad on yours as well, didn't you? No, don't film me. Tasty as always, that one, wasn't it? She's got a last mouthful still.
Didn't last long.
No, it didn't, did it? I was ready for mine. I've got a confession to make. Had a busy day today. When I built my shower and kitchen framework, I built it to plumb and level, as I would do in a house. When I built my stairs, I built them to square to the van floor, so when the van is levelled, everything will be level. What a mistake to make. I've basically just had to adjust everything in the kitchen to make it ready for the worktop going on. I knew I'd done it straight away. As soon as I put the fridge freezer in, I knew I'd done it, and I tried to bring it back, but I'd made it too far out. I've just had to put the light on, bring the Bowdens out. I couldn't help myself. I had to scribe it in. I should have left it really, but it's pretty good. Today didn't go as planned, but then again, when does any day? We had Maximus's annual review this morning. He's doing amazingly. He's come on so much in the past few months. And then we had a phone meeting sorted out, ready for the new house, and fingers crossed it will all go through. And it's MOT day tomorrow, so I just ended up having a tidy up. Maximus has just come out, haven't you? Hello? Are you saying hello? I can't find it in here. He's lost his phone. So yeah, I ended up having to tidy up, fixed the induction hob in place, temporarily albeit, but it's in place and it's fixed. So we've got a fixed cooking point, and we've got beds. Not right now, no. I'm doing this. And then looking for your phone. Have you found it?
No.
So yeah, the van is nice and tidy. Everything's out of the shower area, and he's had a bit of a hoover. And he's off for his MOT tomorrow, isn't he? Not much done, but lots done. The tidy up and sorting out took a little while. But yeah, he's got beds, he's got cooking, he's got fridge. He's not got a shower and loo yet, but that's on its way. Oh, the sound of the rain on the roof is very nice. Very nice indeed. He's so cozy. And he just gets cozier every time. It's a pain. I've had to turn the seats around and lock them in for the MOT tomorrow. So anyway, so it's MOT in the morning and we'll see you then.
In war, there's never an option to run.